Hi, I'm Roxy, and this is your weekly Growth Pulse, powered by GrowthRocks. Get ready for the latest growth marketing trends, hacks, and updates, all in one place. Let's go! We begin today's bulletin with the unveiling of Deep Cogito, a new entrant in the artificial intelligence space. The San Francisco-based startup has launched a family of hybrid AI models, called Cogito One, capable of switching between direct answering and step-by-step reasoning. Built on Meta's Llama and Alibaba's Qwen, these models outperform several leading open-source alternatives, promising advanced reasoning and scalability with fewer computational demands. Now let's go to Snapchat's latest ad innovation. The platform has introduced sponsored AI lenses, allowing brands to create immersive, generative AI-driven selfie experiences. Using facial analysis and preset prompts, these lenses deliver multiple AI scenes per interaction, helping companies like Uber and Tinder engage users with higher playtime and shareability than standard ad formats. In other headlines, LinkedIn is testing a video trends feature in the United States, encouraging members to post video responses to trending topics. This format mirrors social platforms like TikTok and aims to boost content sharing through professionally themed prompts, enhancing video engagement on the career-focused network. Let's shift our attention to Microsoft, which has rolled out Copilot Search in Bing. This new AI-powered feature combines traditional search results with summarized answers, complete with clear source attributions. Designed for fast, conversational search experiences, Copilot Search is accessible worldwide, helping users explore topics with clarity and ease. Meanwhile, in another development, YouTube has launched an AI-powered hook generator to help creators improve viewer retention. The tool offers 3 types of opening hooks: statement, visual, and action, each tailored to capture audience attention quickly. Integrated into YouTube Studio, the system supports creators in crafting more compelling video intros and outlines. Next, we take a look at Tapestry, the open web social app, which has upgraded to version 1.1 with a new feature called Crosstalk. This intelligent system deduplicates cross-posted content across platforms like Mastodon and Blue Sky, offering users a cleaner, streamlined feed. The update also adds quick links and greater feed customization for enhanced usability. Here's what else is happening in the world of search engine optimization. GrowthRocks has introduced the 5W's keyword framework, a method that brings structure and user intent to keyword clustering. Targeting what, which category, why, who, and what else? This system helps brands direct content creation more effectively and reduces keyword cannibalization, especially when working alongside artificial intelligence tools. And finally, we turn to a major shift in the marketing landscape. GrowthRocks has released its annual list of top performance marketing agencies for 2025. Highlighted firms like Tinuiti, Client Boost, AmSiv, and Growth Girls lead the way with data-driven, conversion-focused strategies. These agencies excel in paid media, social selling, and creative solutions, offering scalable, measurable campaigns that deliver real outcomes for clients. And that wraps up this segment of news. That's a wrap for this week's Growth Pulse. I'm Roxy. Stay bold, stay curious, and keep growing with GrowthRocks. See you next time.